महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। अगर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। The last class we have started a new topic which is Bhuta Kridanta. Shatru Shanach is Vartamana Kridanta. Being Kridanta, they are added to Dhatus. And that which is not thing is Krit Pratyaya. So Krit Anta is Kridanta. Kridanta is Pratipadikam. Krit Pratyayas are added to Dhatus to derive a Pratipadikam. So Kridanta means Pratipadikam. Vartamana Kridantam Shatra Shanach. Bhuta Kridantam Tha Tavatu. The last class I introduced the Bhuta Kridanta Tha Pratyaya. In fact, I should have introduced Tavatu first, that is Kartari. Anyway, because the connection was Karma, Karmani Prayaga we were doing, that is why Krit, Ta Pratyaya I took. Anyway, we'll see the Tavatu Pratyaya after this. So Ta Pratyaya denotes the Karma, therefore it will be used in Karmani Prayaga. This usage will begin Karmani Prayaga. And it is Bhuta, denotes, that is past tense. Bhute Karmani, Ta Pratyaya Bhavati, denoting Karma. It is Sarvadhatukam or Ardhadhatukam. Ta Pratyaya is Ardhadhatukam. Right? Can it cause Angakarya? No. Why? Because it is Kit. Kitvat Angakaryaha Nishidyate. Angakarya is negated. These are the points you need to remember when it comes to Ta Pratyaya. And this, another point also, a dhatu if it is a sakarmaka, that is a dhatu which can take karma, which can take karma. We have seen in Karmani Prayoga this. A dhatu which can take karma can be used in Kartari Prayoga, Karmani Prayoga, Bhave Prayoga. What is Bhave? Karmani Prayoga where karma is not there. It's called Bhave Prayoga. So being Sakarmaka dhatu, it can take karma. But if karma is not specified, then in Karmani Prayoga, that usage will be called Bhave Prayoga. Bhave Prayoga. So Sakarmaka dhatu can be in Kartari, Karmani or Bhave. And Akarmaka dhatu, it can be in Kartari and Bhave. Karmani not possible because it cannot take karma. Akarmaka dhatu. And we have seen in Karmani Prayoga, when they say Tinganta, Bhave Prayoge, the Kriya Padam will be Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Right? Maya Kadyate can say, because what is eaten is not mentioned. Akam palam kadami. Palam maya kadyate. But palam is not mentioned. Because it's not there. Maya kadyate. It is Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. That is by default. Bhave Prayoga, we have seen that since karma is not specified, therefore Kriya Padam will be Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Similarly, here in the Kridanta, Bhuta Kridanta, where karma is not specified, that is in Bhave, Arte, the Kridanta, which plays the role of the verb, verbal equivalent, this verbal equivalent noun form. Kridanta is, Shatranta, Kridanta is, they are nouns, Namapadam. They play the role of the verb, therefore they are verbal equivalent. Therefore they are declinable shabdas, they are declinable. So, in Bhave, if karma is not there, Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam will be used. Napumsakalinga, Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Maya Khaditam, that's all. What is the object is not mentioned. An object is not there, the Karta, the speaker, if he doesn't want to mention the object, then Maya Khaditam. Khadita is the Kridanta. Khadu dhatu ta pratyaya, denoting that which is eaten, which was eaten. That is not specified in the sentence. Therefore, Khaditam only. The declension of the Kridanta depends on the gender of the karma. Karma is not there. Sakarmaka dhatu, even though it can take karma, if the vivaksha of the speaker is not to mention the karma, then it will be Napumsakalinga Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana. And in the case of Akarmaka dhatu, anyway it is going to be going to have no karma. Therefore, it will be Napumsakalinga Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sharanji.
These are the points you need to remember. And in this, we are going to see, we are seeing already, listed some dhatus based on their behavior when you add tapratyaya. So it is listed. So it is grouped together in different categories. So that you need to go through that. Different categories, different dhatus are there, and different categories. Tapratyaya is added. What are the changes happen? You will see here a pattern. And one more thing, the ta pratyaya is adi dhatuka pratyaya, therefore Valadi Ardhatuka Pratyaya. Therefore, Ittagama will come. Ittagama will come. Some dhatus may take it, some may not take it, some may take optionally. Therefore, all these possibilities are there. Therefore, two forms may be there if it is a weight dhatu, or sometimes if it is a state dhatu, it may not take it. Those are separate discussion. It vyavastha itself is a separate topic. So, a lot of sarga pavada are there. Those things are not discussed now. Further, we need to have the support of the sutras. Our sutras will try. Here, the dhatus are grouped, categorized based on the similarity of the form, similarity of the application of the rule and the derived form. So this is what we are saying. We will continue from where we left in the last class. And Ta and Tavatu Pratyaya, they call Nishta. That's another information. They're called Nishta. Okay. Before we proceed, do you have any doubt? Yes. Any doubts you have? Or we'll proceed. Nobody has doubt? Okay. Shall we proceed from where we left?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ji. Yes, Ji.
Okay. So in the last class, I think we were reading the Subhashitam. Shokayate, Shokam, Shokaha Nashayate Deiriya. This is what I think we stopped there. So we will continue. So it means the category A and C. We have seen. Okay, let me show that. What is category A? Just a quick recall. Forms of Ta and Tavatu for different dhatus. Category A we saw, that is the dhatus taking it agama. Dhatus taking it agama. Okay. Just a minute. This is the pratyaya forms are not there. Tavatu we will see. Forms of ta must be there. Is just a minute. Okay. Anyway, the file I think is not there. Anyway, Tavatu is there, ta is not there, but we will see. We have to add. Missed. The file is somewhere. So ta form we have seen. Creed plus ta pratyaya will become creedita. It is not written. You can write it. That's the first category. The second category is dhatus not taking itagama. The second category. The udaharan is same kshub dhatu you can take. Kshub plus ta pratyaya will become kshubta, that which is thrown. Now the third category. Dhatus ending with a, e, u, r, and taking no itagama. What will happen? That we'll see. So for dhatus ending with akaranta dhatus, ikaranta dhatus, ikaranta dhatu. So all these are ajanta dhatus. Ach anta dhatu taking no itagama. What will happen? G plus ta pratyaya, jita. G plus ta pratyaya, jita. So jita is a pratipadikam. That which is covered. Yuddham jitam, you can say. Hita, Ravaruta, Hita, Ramena. If it is Strilinga, Chita, then Dhr Dhatu, Dhrita, Dhritam, Dhrita. Ni Dhatu, no guna possible because Ta Pratyaya, it brought Nita, 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 Nitam. Bhu Dhatu becomes Bhuta. From that only you get Bhuta, past. Bhuta Kadanta, Bhuta Kala, Bhu plus Ta Pratyaya. Bhuta, Bhutaha, Bhuta, Bhutam. Then Mr Dhatu, all these are, you can see it. Ajanta Dhatu, A, E, but whatever the vowels are mentioned, Mr comes Mrta, Mrtam, Mrtaha, Mrta, Hr, Hrta, Hrtam, Hrta, Kr, important Dhatu, Krita, Ravana Kritam, Shivatandra Stotram, Kritam, Stotram, Kritam, Stotram, Kritam. Stotram was done. Kritam, Krita, Krita. Stu Dhatu, Stu plus Kta Pratyaya, Stuta, Stuta, Pullinge, Stutaha, Shringe, Stuta, Lingam, Stutam. Similarly, Sri is Srita, Srita, Sritam, Smr, Smrta, 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 Smritam, Vyapruta, Dhatu is Prudhatu. So, Prudhatu, Rikaranta Dhatu, Vyapruta, 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 Kri Dhatu, Krita, Sri Dhatu, Ashrita, Sri, Ashrita, Ashrita is dependence. Ashraya, Ashrita. So, Ashrita is a Pratipadikam. Bhidhatu, Bhita, Bhita is Akarmaka Dhatu. I don't know whether I said this thing. Bhitaha, Bhitaha is Akarmaka Dhatu. Similarly, Smita, Smi is to smile. Smitaha, Akarmaka Dhatu. So, Akarmaka Dhatu, taking Ta Pratyaya, Ta Pratyaya generally denotes karma. But Akarmaka Dhatu and Gatyarthaka Dhatus can denote Karta also. The note important. Gatyarthaka Dhatu. What is Gatyarthaka? Dhatus having the meaning of movement. Dhatus having the meaning of movement. In the Dhatu Kosha, you will see Dhatus having, many Dhatus having the meaning of movement. Example, Srip Dhatu. Srip means Kutilayam Gatau, moving in a crooked way. That is, from that word only we get the word, we get a Shabda Sarpa. Sarpa is snake. Snake movement, how it is, it's not straight. Similarly, other Dhatu, like Ruk Dhatu, Ruk means Arohanam, Avarohanam, that movement is there. That is also Gatyarthaka Dhatu. So like that, many Gatyarthaka Dhatus having the meaning of movement, Gatyarthaka. And Akarmaka Dhatus. Akarmaka Dhatus, the Ta Anta Dhatu, these Dhatus can denote Karta also. So, Gata, Gam Dhatu is Gata. Ramaha Gataha is also correct only. You can say Ramaha Gataha. Gam plus Kta Pratyaya, Gata. Ta Pratyaya denotes, generally denotes karma. Here Gam Dhatu being a Gatyarthaka Dhatu, so Ramaha Gataha is valid. Rama is the Karta. So Ramaha Gataha. Ramena Gatam, you can say Ramena Gatam. Ramena Gatam. Because Ramena is there. Rama is karta. Gatam doesn't denote karta. It denotes the karma. Karma is not mentioned. Therefore, Napumsakalinga, Ramena Gatam. So, Rama Gataha is there. Ramena Gataha. Ramena Gatam also it is there. Okay. So, you can note. It is not written, but you have to note it. Gatyartaka and Akaramaka dhatus can also denote karta when this ta pratyaya is added. Okay, that's important. So therefore, bita is saha bita is afraid. Then kya dhatu. Then chu achyuta, from that only get the word achyuta. Chu is to perish. Achyutam, achyutam. Similarly, stu, I think stu already went. Then adita. Adita means that studied. In dhatu with adi upasarga means to learn. Adita is studied, learned. Adita. Gita adita. Pustakam aditam. Sanskritam aditam. Yeah. So adita, adita, adita. Pridhatu, prita. Shrudhatu, shruta. It is shruta. Okay, shruta. Then madhatu, ma to measure. Mita. There is a change you need to note. Ma becomes mi. That is why it is given. Akaranta dhatu. So far we have seen there are no changes. Here, akaranta dhatu, ma becomes mi. In the place of akara, ikara is the adesha. Similarly, pa becomes pita. And note the change. Pa is pita. Pitam. Dugdam. Pitam. Dha becomes datta. That which is given. Datta. Sta becomes stita. Akaranta dhatu. Sta becomes stita. Upastikaha. So all these are kadanta. Then even in the first shloka of the Gita, Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre, Samavetaha, Vitsulaha, Samavetaha, it is kadanta. Samavetaha is kadanta. In the Tukta Pratyaya with Upasarga Sarga. Samavetaha, gathered. Samavetaha, Samavetaha, Samaveto, Samavetaha. A Yutsalaha. Artharashtraha, Pandavaha, therefore Samavetaha, Ta Pratyaya. Then Dha is another Akaranta dhatu becomes Hita. You can note Akara, it's replaced by Hi, Hadesha. Ha becomes Ina. Then another form is Gra, so Grata. Sorry, Grata is like Gra dhatu. Gra means to smell. Jigra. So Grata and Grana. Sna becomes Snata. Gna is Jnata. Jnata Vishayam. Jnata Vishayam. Jnata. Jnata. Jnatam. Now we will read these examples. Adodattanam Akhyanam Vicharam Apavatam Cha Purvato. Energy. Can read. Using those of this category given. Yeah.
बालकेन कन्दुकः क्षिप्तः मेघैः आकाशः व्याप्तः.
I can translate it.
Okay. बालकेन कन्दुकः क्षिप्तः. Ball was thrown by the boy. Meg, correction.
क्षिप्तः कन्दुकः केन बालकेन. Say karta and karma, so that
Yeah.
be clear. Karta is balaka.
Balaka. Kanduka is karma. Yeah.
And ta pratyaya denotes karma, therefore it is in pratama vibhakti.
Pratama vibhakti.
Yeah.
Karmani. Yeah. Meghaihi akashaha vyaptaha. here Karta is Megha, and then Akasha is Pratama Vibhakti, Karmani, Karma, this is Ta Pratyaya Vyapta. Here Akasha, sky is pervaded by clouds, surrounded by clouds.
Okay, yes.
By clouds. Then Tena Shaptam can be done by him or no?
Tena Shaktam.
He
Yes.
can do.
That is possible by him.
Yeah.
Sharanji, I think we did this last class already, all these exercises. I remember this.
We did this.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Yeah, Ramena Shanti, those things we did. We have to,
we have done. Have we done Akaranta Dhatus then?
no,
We
for
didn't go
that,
through the list,
No,
but we did
this,
that.
this I don't think we did, Sharanji.
no, I have written Ramena Shanti, he Luptaha, that one. I don't.
The exercises we did, but we didn't go through the one before this, the list we didn't go through in detail.
Maybe the exercise was copy paste. Okay. Exercise maybe.
We have to see from seed for dhatus ending with R.
That's what we are doing. Okay. The exercise, the same. I think the words are there. Okay. You need to keep that. Go to the next one. For D.
D.
I'll send you the document. You can go through that. If any repetition is there, let me know. I'll correct it. Then the next one, D. I'll read. For dhatus ending, for dhatus involving Shtutva Sandhi. Okay. And no Itagama. Example, Ish dhatu. Ish plus Ta pratyaya. So no Itagama. It's not Ishita. So Ish plus Ta. What Sandhi will apply? You have to see any other rule will apply. The Sandhi rules we know. So Shakaranta is there. So no other rule apply. So therefore Shtutva Sandhi is applied. Becomes Ishta. That which is desired, Ishta Devata, Ishta Karma. So all this Ishta Purti, all these are these from the Dhatu, Ishta Pratyaya. Krish, Krishna. From Dhatu Krish, Krishyati, you get the word Krish, Krishna. Then all these I can see. Shtutva Sandhi. Shtutva Sandhi means the Dhatu must be ending with either Murdanya Shakara or Talave Shakara. So Klish, Murdanya Shakara, Antadhatu, Vishta. Tush becomes Tushta. Tushta is pleased. Dish becomes Dishta. Katam. Remember the rule. This is Shakaranta, Talave Shakaranta Dhatu. How is that Talave?
Shatvam, Brashcha, that rule.
Yes, that is by that. Number one. Shattam number one. So, Shakaranta Dhatu. What is the condition?
Followed by Jal.
Followed by Jal.
Padanta Shakara.
Not Padanta. Padanta Shakara or followed by Jal. Both are both conditions.
Yeah.
Them is fulfilled. Then the Shakara is replaced by Murdanya Shakara. That's called Shattam number one. We have seen that rule, right? It is in the Sandhi chart.
Yes.
We have seen that. So Dish will become Dishta. No other rule applies. First you have to apply Shakara is the replace Shakara. Right? Murdanya Shakara. Why? Followed by Ta Pratyaya. Ta is Jal letter. And take it karma. So therefore Dish. Then Shtutva Sandhi get Dishta. Shatvam. After that Shtutvam. So Shtutva Sandhi anyway it is there. For Shtutvam to happen, Dhatu must be ending with either Murdanya Shakara or Talave Shakara. If it is Talave Shakara, then apply Shattam number one. So those dhatus are covered in this category. Then nash becomes nashta. Push becomes pushta. Vish becomes vishta. Vishta. Krush becomes krushta. Gush, gushta. Drish becomes drishta. Drishtapalam. Drishtapalam. This is drishta. Then dush becomes dushta. Jush, jushta. Shish, shishta. Fish, fishta. Sprish, sprishta. So this is one category. The next category is fifth one. That is, this is especially for the dhatus belonging to the fourth gana. Belonging to the fourth gana. Example, sham plus kra pratyaya. Sham plus kra pratyaya. What will happen to sham and all? What will happen to sham and all? This, we have seen this, sham, dam, sham, all those dhatus. Even in their Tinganta form, they have seen. Shamyati is Dhamyati, Shamyati, Shamyataha, Shamyanti. But Dirghatum happens for the Upada. Remember, the fourth gana, these are the Dhatu section we have seen when we saw Tinganta.
Yes, sir.
Sham plus Gana Vikrana is Shan plus Tit. Not Shamyati becomes Shamyati. Upada Dirghatum happens for the Dhatus listed under this category. So a few dhatus are there. The upada becomes dirgha. So sham becomes sham plus ta pratyaya. Sham plus ta pratyaya becomes sham. Upada dirgha happens. Sham plus ta. Then makara is there. What makara? It is not a padanta makara. And it is not padanta. And it is followed by hal. Therefore, it is anuswara. It is replaced by anuswara. Manuswaraha. So you get shanta. Anuswara comes sham. Then anuswara again becomes nakara. So, anuswara followed by
Yay.
a letter. A letter.
So Parasavarna Sandhi.
Parasavarna Sandhi.
Savarna Sandhi.
Parasvarna sandhi. Therefore, sham becomes shanta. Okay. So, Tinganta, we have seen from that connection. Remember. So, these dhatus belong into the fourth gana. So, you get the forms like this. Sham becomes shanta. Dam becomes danta. Brahm becomes branta. All these dhatus already we have seen listed. Remember, I will show you if you don't remember. Just a minute. Let me open that. It is just a minute. Some other file is opening. Anyway, I'll show that later. Just a minute. I'm trying to open that. Dhataha. Yeah, I've opened that. Can you see the file?
Motion.
No, Sharanji.
Okay, just a minute. Yes, now you can see. This is fourth Gana Dhatu. Called Shamadhi Antarga. Shamadhi Antarga subgroup. The subgroup in the fourth Gana, which begins with the Dhatu Sham. So Sham, Dam, Sham, Dam, Sham, Sham, all these dhatus. These many dhatus are there. Shamadhi Antargana Upada Dirghatvam happens. Upada Dirghatvam happens. Shamadhi Nam Dirgha and Sutra is there. So by that, the subgroup, the dhatus under this group, Dirghatvam happens. Sham is a dhatu. Dirghatvam happens when I say, where the Dirghatvam will happen? Dirghatvam can happen only in the place of what?
Upada.
The place of only vowel only, right?
Okay.
Otherwise, where Dirghatvam will come? Not for the consonant. So dhatu is there, you have to see the dhatu, what is the ach. That ach is there, you make it dirgha. Sham is there, akara is only ach there, that becomes sham. So this antargana, which has got this 7 dhatus, 7 or 8 dhatus, dirghatvam happens. Shamadhinam dirghaha. So therefore shamyati. No condition is given. That is dirghatvam happens. The same thing here also. Therefore, those dhatus are taken and listed here. So that becomes dirgha. Dirghatvam happens, therefore we get sham becomes shanta. Plam becomes planta. Sham, shanta, vam, vamta, acham. Achamanam, the word comes from this one. Achamanam is sipping the water. Achanta, it becomes achanta. A upasarga cham dhatu, achanta. Kram becomes kranta. Okay, this is the fifth category. Then sixth category. Here, the dhatus involving drop of anunasika. The previous category also has anunasika, but it belongs to Shamadhigana. That is different. Here, other dhatus, and there the anunasika is dropped. Anunasika anta dhatu, anunasika is dropped, and no karma takes. Those dhatus are listed. So this will be the karya. The pratyaya is added. Example, gam plus ta pratyaya. Gam plus ta pratyaya, what will happen? Gam is there, the makara is dropped. Anunasika lopaha. This is sutra. One sutra is there. By that anunasika lopa happens. So gam, makara goes away, you get gata. That which is gone. Or the one who went, that meaning also possible. Gata. So gam becomes gata, ram becomes rata, yam, yata, all these are anunasikanta dhatu. Han also, it is also anunasikanta, gata is dropped, hata, that which is hurt or killed. Ram becomes rata, man becomes mata. Man is to think, to consider. Mata is that which is thought, that is opinion. Mata is opinion or views. Mata. Mataha, mata, matam. In all the genders we can decline. Tan, next one. Tan to cover, to pervade. So from that we get kata. Ayat tatam ilam sarvam. Jagadav vyaktamurtina. In Gita, it is that tatam. Tatam is that which is spread. Vyaptam. That is the meaning. Tan plus ta pratyaya, we get Kata. Kshan becomes Kshata. In addition to the given dhatus, all the dhatus in the Ektigana will drop their Anunasika. In Ektigana, that is in the eighth there are Anunasika dhatu, where this Anunasika will be dropped. The sutra itself is specifically mentioned. So, Ektigana dhatus. In addition to the dhatus listed here, this is one category. Next category is dhatus ending with Rukaranta. Rukaranta dhatu and taking it karma. There is a separate, we can discuss later, behavior of Rukara. Like in Karmani, Rukaranta ending, how it changes, and Rukaranta also, how it changes. Rukara undergoes a lot of changes. Whether it is replaced by the Adesha or when it followed by the Yak, Kit Pratyaya and all, it undergoes certain changes. When the Adesha is on, then Repa is appended. So the Rukara is important. So when we learn further, then we will see the behavior of our changes happening to Rukara separately. So the Rukara. So Rukara, now we are talking about Rukara, Dirgha Rukara, and which doesn't take Itagama. Example, Tru plus Ta Pratyaya. Tru, Tarane, to cross over, to swim. So Tru plus Ta Pratyaya. So what happens here? Tru plus Ta Pratyaya. You can see Takara is replaced. The Takara of the Nishta Pratyaya, Ta Pratyaya is replaced by Nakara. That is number one. So Nishta Pratyaya, the Takara is replaced by Nakara. Then therefore Ta becomes Na. Then Rukara is replaced by Ir. Rukara is replaced by Ir. Okay. Then that E is there. Rukara is replaced by Ir. Then the E becomes Dirgha. You remember in Karmani what happens? Tru plus Yat plus Te. What is the form?
Tiryate.
Tiryate. Where what happens? What is replaced? Rukara is
Replaced by ear.
Ir. So here it is Ir only. Then by another rule, this Upada, Ikara becomes Dirgha Ikara. Therefore it becomes E. So note that. Okay. This is very specifically. If one sutra is Irvogo Upadaya Dirgaha Ikaha, followed by Hal. So Repa then preceded by this vowel, then it becomes Dirgha. In this context, it happens. Okay. So we will see what is the rule under later. But now you just know the format. This is only the format. Dhatus are listed. They follow the same pattern. So Udaharanam, if you understand how it is formed, you can see from the beginning. Tru plus Ta Pratyaya, that is adding. Then Ta Pratyaya, that Takara is replaced by Nakara, that is the second step. After you replace, then Ru is there replaced by Ir, the third step. Then the Takara is replaced by E. So you get the E here. Now after that what happens? Here Nakara is there, not Padanta Nakara. It is Padanta Nakara. Repa is there immediately preceding. Therefore, what will happen? Nothing will happen.
That one.
Therefore, Nakara, we get the form Tirna, that which is crossed. Vistirna, another meaning. With Vipasarga, meaning is different. Vistirna. But which is disintegrated. Vistirna, spread. Tirna. Okay. Similarly, we get from the jiru dhatu only, we get jirna. Jirna is that which has become old. Jirna. So tirna you get. Similarly, you apply the same thing for the same steps for these dhatus. That is replacing nishta pratyaya by nakara. Then rikara, ru is replaced by here. Then upada dirghatvam happens. Then natvam happens. These are the steps involved. I'm not telling you this. The rules, these steps are involved. This much is enough. The rules you will see. The rules will come in other places that you will see. If you know these dhatus are easy. Dru becomes tirna, dru becomes kirna, and dru becomes dirna. Then shru becomes shirna, jru becomes jirna, vasamsi jirnani, so jirna, jirnam, pumsalinga, jirnam, jirne, jirnani, vasamsi jirnani, yathavigavaya, navani gridnamati, navoparani, so jirnani, kani jirnani, vasamsi jirnani. Vasa means dress, vasaha vasasi vasamsi. So jirna vasamsi jirnani, vastrani jirnani, jirnam. Then gr becomes girna, str becomes tirna, pr, you can see pr becomes purna. The word purna, purnamana, purnavidam, that is ikaranta only. You get by adding ta pratyaya to vidhatu pr becomes purna. Here the rikara is replaced by ukara, ur, that you have to note. Because it is a oshtya letter, akara is oshtya. Being oshtya, therefore, the same thing in Karmani Prayoga we saw, right? Puryate. You have to see the connection with Karmani. Tru become Tiryate. What about Pru? Pru became, remember, Karmani. Pru becomes, it is replaced by Ur. The Karmani list you see. You will see that the Dhatu Pru, the Rukara is replaced by Ur. The same thing here. So if Upada is Oshtya, then Rukara is replaced by Ur. That's the rule. So you get Purnaha. Understand Purnaha?
Yes, sir.
So if you have the Karmani chart with you, you will see some similarity. Then the next category, Dhatus ending with Dakara and taking no Itara. Example, Chid Dhatu. Chid plus Tha Pratyaya. Chid plus Tha Pratyaya. What will happen? Again, here also the Nishta Pratyaya is replaced by Na. Nishta Pratyaya is replaced by Na. And the Dakara is there, Dakaranta. So the Dakara also replaced by Na. Dakara. So you get Chinna. Tatabhyam Nishtataha. Nishtataha. Sutra is there in the Nishta, second section of the 8th chapter. So you get Chinna. That is Dakara of the Nishta Pratyaya and the Dhatu Anta Dakara. Both are replaced by Nakara. Therefore you get Chinna. You get the word Chinna. So Chid becomes Chinna. Kid becomes Chinna, afflicted. Kid. Swid becomes Swinna. Bid. Bid becomes Binna. Binnam or Bitta. Sad becomes Sanna. Apad. Apanna. So all these dhatus you can see. All are Dakaranta ending. Tud. Tunna. Nud. Tunna. Vid. Vinna. One more form is the Vitta. Spad. Spanna. Spand. Sorry. Spand becomes Spanna. Okay, here that Nakara is that goes away. That goes away by one.
Kshamyatamji, I don't remember the rule how the dakara becomes nakara. We have,
I'm not taught you.
okay.
Shad becomes Chandan. You know this. This is a step. The rules, all the rules have not been taught. Okay, it's difficult. All the rules, when the context come, you will see. So that's why in the example, in the udaharanam, it is given what are the changes happening to that. If the rules are known, it is fine. If the rules are not known, you follow the sequence, the steps, what is happening. That's what I'm saying. I said the rule, the sutra, but it's a rule that I have not taught you that because the scope has not come. When it comes, that we will see.
Okay.
Now it is not
Because
required.
double nakara came, no? So I was thinking of Namutagama and all,
nakara.
it doesn't fit. That's why
Okay.
I asked you.
That doesn't come. Those rule doesn't
Yeah.
come.
Yeah.
Here the Nishta Takara is replaced by Nakara and Dhatu ending with the Takara. Takara and the Dhatu. Takara also replaced by Nakara. That is the rule. A different rule. Okay. This are not rules are not taught. Whichever rules I have taught, then I ask you the question. If I am not taught, then I will not ask question. I just know. I will tell the sequence, how it happens. Okay. The next one. Dhatus ending with Jash. This you rules you know. Jash Anta Dhatu. What is Jash? You know Jash. Jash means immediately you have to remember the rules connected
Yeah,
to
Fourth varana.
Fourth letters.
fourth one. What will happen? Remember the rules.
It is Jalam Jash Jashi.
No, that's okay. That is Jal. Jal includes Jash also. That's one thing. Then
Oh, this is Dattvam, followed by Takara or Takara.
exactly. Yes. It is there in the Sandhi chart. Remember that Jash
Yeah.
and Dhatu when followed by, sorry, actually you have to say it this way. Takara or Thakara, preceded by Jash.
Yeah.
Yashantasya Tathoho Adaha, that's a sutra. It is there in the Sandhi chart, this rule is there. Takara
Yes.
or Thakara preceded by Jash. Then what will happen to Takara and Thakara? Replaced by
Takara.
Dakara, Mahaprana, Dakara. This is except for the Dhatu, Dha. That is what Adaha is there. Anyway, that part is not required. So, Buddha Dhatu, Ta Pratyaya, Buddha plus Ta. Here, this Dakara. Can you apply Jalam Deshante? Yes or no? Just to be number one.
Yeah, we can apply just the
You cannot apply. How can you apply?
Padam.
Envidi, for the first one.
Padam.
Huh? Sorry, Padam. Padam condition is important. It's not a Padam. Therefore, just Vidhi cannot be applied.
Mm.
So, what did you say, Krishnaji?
Second rule, Jalam Jash Jashi.
That comes later. In between, this rule comes. Jash Anta. Preceding Takara or Takara. So, here what is there?
Takara. Okay.
Takara. The same thing I think we have seen in the Tumun Pratyaya. Tumun context also. The Tumun rules I have sent you the list. Remember? Tumun Pratyaya.
Yes, Sharji. You said Buddh plus Twa. You said.
Buddha and all.
Yeah.
I have sent you the PDF file.
Yes.
Pa, Tumun, those the same rule apply here. So, okay, let me show that. Okay. For those who are difficult to follow, you can see this. Those miscellaneous rules. You can see this is, I think this file or some other file I sent you.
This is the one, sir. Rule number 7.
Yeah, this
Takara
file.
and Takara.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This file covers the examples for the Halanta Shabda also. That also is there. So that part you leave it. Because contextually we have to take whatever is required. What is rule number 7? Yes. You can see
Number 7.
Rule number 7, not 7, because we're talking about Hakara Dhatu. Not this one. This not this one.
This was a this I think you improvised later on, Sharanji. Before that, I took it up, and that was at that time it was 7.
This is
Thakara and
rule number 5.
yeah, okay. Then I think you improvised it later.
This one.
This is the one I was telling you.
Okay.
Rule number 5.
5. Takara following the dash and the dhatu will be replaced by Takara in 240. This rule is covered in the Sandhi chart also. You have seen that. So Yuddha plus Tum. Tum pratyaya example is given. Tum is what pratyaya? Tum pratyaya.
Ardha Dhatukam.
Can it cause guna to the anga?
Yeah, it can.
Yeah,
Yes.
it can.
Is it not a kith?
No, it is.
It's not a kith. Therefore it can do. Therefore you becomes Yod. Yod plus Tum. And Tum Takara preceded by Jashanta. Therefore Takara is replaced by Dhakara. Yod plus Tum you get. Now you apply Justice Sandhi number 2. So Dhakara followed by Takara, that is Jal followed by Jash. So this is Jal is replaced by Jash letter, therefore Yod. But Yodum could become Rodum. All these things we have seen.
Yes.
Remember all of this? Is it difficult to remember?
It was even for Twa also. If you go down, if you scroll.
So when you know Twa is what pratyaya? It is a kith pratyaya, right? Twa, it is beginning with what letter? Tavatu. Here this part alone is there. Tavatu is covered and Ta is also covered. Tavatu is both Kridanta only. So therefore the same thing. Buddha plus Ta will become Buddhaha. Okay, you can add if you require an example. Also this, maybe I improved this, but I don't know. All those files are mixed up. It is difficult to.
Yeah, you gave us separately also, Sharanji. Somewhere I have taken that copy and kept it. It came as number 7. There you are given the example with Twa. Buddh plus Twa, you are given it as Buddh plus Takara becoming Buddha. You gave the example, and I don't know which file is that, but I have written it as rule number 7.
All the files are
Yeah, that is a separate file.
Separate file,
Yeah.
That was also
Yeah.
miscellaneous only. I kept it as miscellaneous rules.
We have 8 points there, I think. AB.
Yeah, it's there.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm doing this example for Ta pratyaya. You can see Buddha plus Ta. That is example, the contrast we are doing. So Buddha plus Ta pratyaya, Buddha plus Ta. Then this Akara is replaced by Dhakara. Then Jal followed by Jash. So just to remember, 2 is applied. So you get form Buddha. Get Buddha. This is how you get Buddha. Buddha.
You have given for Tavatu Pratyaya itself. When you taught us Sandhi rule. Same Buddh plus Tavatu.
It is there, Buddha. That we'll see. We'll see after this. So Buddha you get. That is the one who is enlightened. Buddha. So those things are here. Those are the Jashanta Dhatu, Buddha. Okay. So remember that rule. Akara is replaced with Akara, then apply Jashta Sandhi. So those rules are common. That is only shown by the example. In the example, certain rules we have seen, certain rules we have not seen, but you follow the prakriya, the method given in that I already explained now. For the rules which we are not familiar, we have not learned, I explained this is how it happens. That you know it, and you see Vandhatu, which category it belongs, what is the form it takes. Similar dhatus, the same forms, similar forms, right? That is, in that way, this category of dhatus helps you. You have to go through the dhatus. So Buddha becomes Buddha, Lab becomes Labda, Vruddha is old. Vruddha. So that is the Vruddha. Ruddha becomes Ruddha. Shuddha becomes Shuddha. Sadha, Radha. Krudha, Yuddha. Yuddha is that which is fought. That is fight. Yuddha. Siddha. Kshubdha. Arabdha. Okay. So these are the examples. These are the dhatus coming under this category. The next one is this we know. We know the rule. Dhatu ending with jakara and shakara. And taking no itagama. In what will happen to jakara? Jakara becoming shakara. Jakara becoming shakara is exception to what?
Kutva Sandhi.
Kuhu.
Kutva one.
Kutva Sandhi exception to.
Kutva Sandhi. What is Kutva? Chavarga replaced by Kavarga letter.
Kavarga. Chuhu.
Followed by Jal or at the end of the Padam.
Padam, yeah.
And some Chavarga ending letter like Vrashcha, Srija, Braja, Yaja, Raja, Raja, and Brajacha, the Chakara ending also. All these are Chavarga letter only. These ending will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara. That's called Shabdam number 1. That Vidhi is applied here. Example, Srij plus Kta Pratyaya. Srij plus Kta Pratyaya. Srij, it is there. The verb is mentioned in the rule itself. Vrashja, Srija is there. Srija, Mrija, Yaja also is there. So, Jakara followed by Jal letter, that is Takara. So, Jakara is replaced by Murdani Shakara, you get Srish plus Ta. After that, you apply Shtutva Sandhi, you get Srishta. Srij means to create. Srishta means that which is created. That which was created or which is created, whatever may be. Created, denoting that which is that created. Yaj becomes important. Yaj. Here you can see Yaj is Jakara. Jakara is replaced by, if a Jakara replaces
Shakara.
yeah, Samprasaranam also.
Samprasaranam. Yeah.
This for some dhatus, when Kit Pratyaya follows, Samprasaranam happens. So Yakara becomes Ikara. Yaj becomes Ij. Then apply this rule after that. Because Samprasaranam happens in the Sapada Saptadhyaya section. That is why this rule is applied later. This rule, if you see the Sandhi chart, I just given the number, it will be 8 to 36. And Samprasaranam before. Therefore, Samprasaranam is done first. Ij becomes Ij. Then after that you apply this rule. Then apply Shtutva Sandhi, you get your Ishta. Ishdhatu also becoming Ishta. Remember, already we saw Murdana Shakara becoming Shtutva Sandhi, one category. There we saw the Ishdhatu, from which we get the forms Ichati, Ichataha, Ichanti and all. That also will become Ishta. Yaj also will become Ishta. So it depends on the context, what it means to take. The form of, you can note, the form of Ishdhatu is also Ishta. The form of Yajidhatu also Ishta. Okay, both are Ishta only. So here Ishta means that which is worshipped, Yajati, that Yaj, Yajna, that is Ishta. Then Trij becomes Srishta, Yaj becomes Yashta, Brij becomes Brishta, Brasht becomes Brishta, Braj and Raj, I have left it out. The forms may be difficult or different. So it's okay, it doesn't matter now. And Prash becomes Prishta. I will write it maybe next class, I will find out. Maybe some rules applying that. So prach becomes prishta. Prach becomes prishta. It is ending with chakara. Therefore, chakara is replaced by shakara. You get prish. How you get prish? Samprasaranam happens. Pra becomes pr. So pra is ra is replaced by r. Samprasaranam. Reversal of n sandhi. Reversal of n sandhi. N letter repa is replaced by ik letter r. So pra becomes pr. And chakara is replaced by murdanya shakara when followed by jal, which is ta pratyaya here. Then you apply shtuta sandhi, get the word prishta, that which is asked. Okay, this is another category. Any doubt in this?
No, Sharanji.
No, Ji.
If it is too easy, then I'll leave it. If it is really, because many things we have seen. Only thing is, you should know what category it comes, what set of rules to be applied. Okay, that you must know. Then the next one, Dhatus ending with Chavarga. Dhatu ending with Chavarga means Kutta Vidhi should come to the mind immediately. Chavarga will be replaced by Kavarga letter and taking no Itta. Tyaj will become Tyaj Jakara. It is Kutta Vidhi. We don't apply here Shatva because Tyaj is not listed in that Dhatu list. So Jakara is replaced by Kakara. Tyak, ta. But there is a sequence. Tyaj is replaced by Jakara is replaced by corresponding Kakara. Tyag. Then apply Karicha. Kar letter follows. Kakara is replaced by Kakara. You get Tyakta. So if you remember the Udaharanam, in the Udaharanam the rules are not mentioned because there is no space. If you can follow what are the changes happening here, what rule is applied. Some rules are known, some rules are not known. Here all the rules are known. In this example, the rules are known to you, already taught, so you know it. So therefore I have not written, you can recognize. Okay. So Jakara becomes Gakara. How? What rule?
Jashtva Sandhi,
And then Gakara becomes Kakara is
Kutva Sandhi.
not Kutva.
Chatvam.
No,
Chatvam.
Chatva Sandhi.
Chartva Sandhi. You know the order. That is the order you have to
Yeah.
apply. Okay. The order should not be violated. So Tyaj becomes Tyakta, Yuj becomes Yukta. Yukta hasi tamat paraha. Yuj dhatu. Bhaj becomes Bhakta. Bhaj sevayam. Bhakta is one who does seva. The contributor is called Bhakta. Much becomes Mukta. Vimuktascha vimuchyate, we saw recently. Mukta, free. The one has become freed. Rich becomes Rikta. Then Samprich becomes Samprukta. Okay, all these are Chakara ending Dhatu. Then Dhatu is ending with Hakara. Now here you can remember, you need to remember the rules which are applied to Hakara, followed by Jal. Hakara, remember, Tha Pratyaya is a Jal letter. So whatever when the Jal precedes, when Jal follows, whatever the rules are applied, that has to be applied. So Hakara is there followed by Jal. So what are the rules you remember? Hakara followed by Jal.
Datva Sandhi. Datva.
Dattvam number 1.
One.
That is Hodaha. Hakara is replaced by Dakara followed by Jal number 1. What else?
Jayo Honyatarasyam.
Jayoho. Why Jayoho? Oh, that. Okay.
No,
Jayoho comes later. And what is okay? What does it mean, Jayoho?
J letter Parasya Akara.
Okay. J letter is preceded. Hakara is preceded by J letter. Okay. Then Hakara is by corresponding J. That is not the context here.
Correct. Yeah.
By Jal letter we are talking about. talking about hakara followed by jal letter. Means you have to see the rules where 8 to 8 2 are mentioned. 8 2. Hodaha, that is okay. Dattam is number 1. And what are the other rules in the Sandhi chart? Please see the Sandhi chart. Okay, let me open the Sandhi chart. The rules after that following the Sandhi chart. After Dattva Sandhi. Okay, I assume this Sandhi chart is here. Open. Please see the here it is that Dattva 28. Okay. You see there? Dattva. You see your
Yeah.
we can see. Hakara at the end of the column are followed by jal will be replaced by Dakara.
Dakara.
Now you can see, right?
Yes, sure.
This is number 1. Dattva. You have to remember this rule because the context here is dhatu ending with hakara followed with ta pratyak. Ta is a jal letter. Therefore, this rule you have to remember. Not only this rule, it depends on the dhatu. If the dhatu is dakaradi dhatu, then what will happen?
Gakara will come as Adesha.
Dakara will come. That is the next rule.
Amasa. Yeah.
Hakara of the dakara dhatu will be replaced by dakara. And for some specific dhatus, Druha, Magha, Shnuka, Shnika,
Shnuka, Shnuka.
that replacement is optional. Therefore, we will have 2 forms.
Dakara.
For these dhatus, hakara can be optionally replaced by dakara. So, dakara also can come. Optionally, dakara also. So, you will have 2 forms. Right? So, these 3 should come to your mind when you see the hakara followed by jal letter. Our context, it is applicable. You see the udaharanam now. Rukh dhatu plus ta pratyaya. No guna happens. Itvat. Rukh dhatu. Hakara followed by jal. So hakara is replaced by dakara. Okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then dakara and takara is in contact with dakara. Preceding contact. What rule will come? What rule?
That
Let be that.
Dattvam.
Dattam comes late. What is Dattam? What is Dattam?
Jash letter followed by Takara or Takara.
Shtutvam.
Jal letter
Followed by Takara or Takara. Then the Takara and Takara, the Adesha will be the Dakara.
very good. That is applied. That is 8 to 40. Takara, that's not we just now we saw, right? Takara, takara preceded by a jal letter. Dakara is a jal letter. Therefore, what will happen to takara becomes dakara. Don't apply shtutta sandhi here. Okay. Because one more rule is going to come sequentially. So you have to apply this rule only. You see the sandhi chart. Again, the rules are given in that order. After the 2, I'm just reading the number. After the 29, 30, 31, 32, you can see the rule number 8 to 40. That is 33. Takara, following the Dashanta Dhatu will be replaced by Dakara. Right? Will be replaced by Dakara only. Will be replaced by Dakara. I have not written that. Here, I think, the example here, I have not written the 1 per space. Okay. That too, actually, it should apply here. I have not written to be written. Space constraint, I left it. Let me write that. This root plus the root plus the Dakara will be replaced by Dakara. And after that,
Shtutvam.
After that, apply Shtutvam. So, replaced by Dakara. Shtutvam happens. Dakara replaced by Dakara. Dakara in contact with Dakara. Now, Dakara followed by Dakara. We know this rule. This Dakara will become Lopa.
Lopa.
Opah.
And preceding H will be replaced by
Dirgha.
So you get Ruda. So Yoga Ruda, Aruda, and that comes from this only. That also you can see whether I wrote.
28.
28.
Twa pratyaya moon. This one.
28.
Rodum, Rudva.
Yeah, but where is this rule mentioned? Did I mention?
Actually, you are given miscellaneous rules also, Sharanji.
Yes,
Yes.
correct.
Yeah. Okay. In the miscellaneous rule, it is there. Yes.
Yeah.
In the here, maybe it is not here. In the miscellaneous rule, it is given.
Rule number 2 you have given us.
Yeah, 2A and B. Yes.
2, yeah.
Just a minute, I'll open that. Rule number 2A.
A and B. B. Yeah, A and B is there.
I don't know what files, so many files are there. Difficult to open what files. Miscellaneous rule, but okay. Let me check it. Word file. Is it a Word file?
Number 2, I've taken it as
Yes, it is there. Yeah. I think it's a Word file. I don't have time to organize my files. It's all scattered. You can see here,
yeah, this is the one.
which I sent you already. Hakara at the end of the padam, followed by Jal, inter will be replaced by Dakara. Okay. So here we have applied this rule. You can see Ruk plus Tum Pratyaya. So Hakara is replaced by Dakara. Tum being other Dakara is not a hit, therefore Guna also happens, Ru becomes Ro, and Hakara is replaced by Dakara. Then this Tatha followed by Jash letter will be replaced by Dakara. That's also applied. It's called Dattva Vidhi. Then Rodh plus Tum, Shtutva Vidhi applied. We get Dakara replaced by Dakara. And Dakara followed by Dakara, this Dakara will disappear. Preceding and preceding and is what? A, E, U. Here it is not A. It is not A, E, U. So nothing happens here. Road A remains road A. Road remains road. Whereas here, Ru is Hasva. It becomes Dirgha. Rude, Rudva. Okay. Okay, understand this?
Yes, sure.
Yes.
So this is what it is there. This document I've added that also. Then you get Rudaha. So the rules you need to remember. Rules, there is no space to mention the rules, but you can remember the rule. First one is this Dattvam, Hakara is replaced by Dakara. Second one is Dattvam, that is the following, the Tatha, that is replaced by Dakara. Condition when preceded by Jash letter. Then Shtutva happens. When Shtutva happens, you get the condition, Dakara followed by Dakara. Then the preceding Dakara vanishes. And when it vanishes, preceding An, A, E, U letter will become Dirgha. This is the rule. Same thing you apply. This is your homework. You can try for these dhatus. You can try, take some dhatus. Please try, and only you will know. Then only the Rupa Siddhi, you have to see where you do the mistake. Rupa Siddhi comes or not, you have to find out. So if please take this as homework and try. Lik dhatu becomes lead. Lik means to lick. Lead is that which is licked. Lead. So how it becomes hakara becoming dakara. Then the preceding akara becoming dakara, then takara becoming dakara, and the takara also will become dakara. Then the dakara in the place of akara will vanish, and the preceding and will become e. Therefore, leader. The form gets leader. The next one, vak. Vak is a dhatu. There you can see vakara is there, will undergo samprasaranam. Vakara will become ukara. Vak plus ta pratyaya. Vak plus ta pratyaya, samprasaranam happens. Because kit pratyaya follows. Therefore, samprasaranam happens. So you get ukara adesha, and ukara will become dirgha. So you get uda. You get the form uda. Okay, vak becomes uda. So uda is the pratipadikam. So udaha or uda, and udam and all the form will be. Then sakh, you can note. Sa is replaced by so. There is a rule is there. Here, the preceding that vowel akara is there. Akara is replaced by o. That's the rule. And rule is there specifically for this. Hakara is replaced by dakara. Then the preceding, the here the an is there. The an will not become dirgha. Instead, it will become okara. This is exception. Soda. Okay. Shaknoti igayavaya sodum. Raksharina vimokshanat. Gita, 5th chapter. Sodum. Sagdatu. Sag means to endure. Sodum. This the word in the Gita. So soda is a word. Other rules are same. Hakara becoming dakara and takara becoming again dattvam and becoming dakara. Then this dakara vanishes. And the only thing is the preceding letter is okara. Sag is not sada, it is soda. Ghas becomes gada. Mukh is interesting. Mukh becomes muda. Mukh becomes muda. Here one form only I have written. Another form, you write, you try. Only one form will come, I think. Mukh plus ta pratyaya. Yes. Akara is replaced by. Okay. If it is another form also will come. You try the another form. Let me know whether you are able to do it. Mukh dhatu. One form is muda. Another form, because mukh dhatu is hakaranta dhatu, and we have the rule. You can see that is the rule is number 30, the Sandhi chart. Hakara of the dhatu, druk mukh is there. Druk mukh shnuk shnik at the end of the padam are followed by jal will be replaced by gakara optionally. So if gakara comes, what will be the form? Mukh plus tha pratyaya, dakara adesha by dattva vidhi, that is this vidhi, dattva vidhi, you get dakara adesha. Therefore, form is muda. Suppose if it is gakara adesha, what will be the form? That is your homework. Try this. Understand? Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Sharanji.
So in this list, Muda is there, but another form also possible. Not given. You tell me what it is. Okay. So Snig becomes Sniga. Okay. This is up to this list. When the list continues, Some more. You follow up to here.
Yes, sure.
If you have any doubts, you can.
We can follow, but how to remember that?
But if you ask suddenly, we need to know where to fit it. Like,
You can have all the documents with you. Refer the document and tell.
Okay, can you send it through WhatsApp, this PDF,
Yes, yeah, I'll send you.
so that we can take a printout and
Yes. I'll send you this document. And you go to the document. If there are any typos, mistakes, let me know. So this is, we can stop here. We have seen up to L. So you please remind me. Next class, up to L we have seen. After that, some more categories are there, we will see. I'm giving all the list now. Now it may be difficult to remember, don't worry. But we are going to do some practice. That time you have to refer this. You have to remember. That time you will remember. You see how it is remembered. There will not be any difficulty. Because the forms are already, we are using those words. So, yeah. So when you do these, some abhyasa, some translations, some exercises, then you will remember. I have this chart with you. You can refer which category it comes. It is categorized very clearly. So if there are any overlap in the categories, I don't think any overlap is there. Then that may be a problem. But it is clearly categorized. So there will not be any problem. So you know it. See, and one thing is how to know it only by practice. How we have come up to this level, not in a day, right? So, right, this also will take time. And not only is that, the same thing is going to be repeated again in Tavatu Pratyaya. Instead of Ta Pratyaya, replace by Tavatu, the form you get same form, similar form. Because the Pratyaya is different, therefore corresponding Pratyaya, whatever change happen, only that change. Otherwise, the rules are same. Same file can be copy pasted for Tavatu. Okay, so we'll stop here. I'll send you this file. You will see. You go through this. If you have difficulty, let me know. Okay. Right. You have any doubts? You can ask. Any doubts are there?
No, sure.
no, sure.
no, Chief. You sent one last in WhatsApp. You have sent one PDF. No, what should we
Yeah.
do with that?
You just keep it. You just keep
Okay.
it. We'll come to that when I teach you that.
Okay. Thank you.
But the Pratipadikam, further we need to know many things, then you will see that. Anybody have gone through that file, understood something?
Gone through like adding pratyas, su-pratyas.
Yeah. What Krishnan, you said something? Yeah. You go to the file.
Yes, yeah. I'll do that.
Yeah, but there are some mistakes I have corrected also. I'll send you later. Yeah, when we see Subantas, in fact, I have taught you many Halanta Shabda with the Sandhi rules already, which we have covered. We know it, like a Jalamuch, those Shabdas, Raj Shabda, Jalamuch, Vanij, Marut, all the Shabdas, you can derive it. You know it. So, other Shabdas, there are other Shabdas like Sakaranta Shabda, Nakaranta Shabda, for all the lingas I'm saying. And then this Shatranta Pratipadikam, Tavatu Anta Pratipadikam, all those things what we are seeing now, for that the rules are there. That is what the rules are. You will see that when we come to that level, you will see. Okay, but now whatever we have seen so far, please remember, you categorize them properly, physically, these documents, and also in your mind also. Mind also, it should be very clear, clearly categorized. This is the rule, this is where this will apply. And we will do more exercises, okay. We will do infant reader, which we stopped somewhere. Anyway, we will start from the beginning. And infant reader. We'll start from the beginning. Beginning lessons are very easy, so we can quickly go through, and we will not just do simply the sentences. We can do the other prayogas also, so that infant reader lessons, beginning lessons, which we already covered, will be interesting. If you do the other prayogas, karmani prayoga, bhave prayoga, whatever is possible, then other pratyas. Then Ant 1 part 1, which we also did, that also we will start from the beginning. So one class we can do for the pratyas and discussion, other class for the exercise. So let me finish Tavatu Pratyaya, then we can do. Okay. More practice then. Stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद